Hey there! Whether you want to tweak your device or explore advanced settings, enabling developer options is the way to go. And guess what? It's super quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to do just that. Let's dive in. First off, grab your Xiaomi phone and open the Settings app. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, locate the MIUI version option. Now, tap on it 7 or 8 times until you see the message, "You are now a developer." After that, developer mode will be enabled for you. Now, navigate back to the previous settings page. Then, scroll down and find additional settings. Tap on it. Next, scroll a bit and you will find developer options listed there. Tap on it to access all the features. So, there you have it. That's how you enable developer options on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. Interested in more tips and tricks for Xiaomi phones? Subscribe to the channel because we've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.